If you want to record your computer screen using a tool you already have installed, VLC makes it surprisingly easy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to record your screen with VLC step by step, how to choose the right settings, how to save the recording properly, and how to stop it at the end so you don't lose your work. This is a great method if you want a quick screen recording without downloading extra software. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once VLC is open, look at the top left corner of the window and click the Media tab. From the drop-down menu, choose Open Capture Device. This is the option that lets VLC record from your screen instead of playing a normal video file. When the Capture Device window opens, look for the tab at the top that says Capture Device and click it if it is not already selected. Under the Capture Mode section, open the drop-down menu and change it to Desktop. This tells VLC that you want to record your screen. Next, go to the Options section and set your frame rate. If you want smooth and standard recording, 30 frames per second is a good choice. If you want a higher quality recording and your computer can handle it, you can use 60 frames per second. Now that the screen settings are ready, it is time to choose where your recording will be saved. Instead of clicking play, look for the small arrow next to the play button. Click that arrow and choose Convert. This is important because Convert lets VLC save the screen capture as a video file instead of just previewing it. After that, you will see a profile drop-down menu. For the best compatibility, choose a standard format like Video H.264 plus MP3 in MP4. This is a very common format and works well on most devices and at video players. Once you have selected the format, move down to the Destination section and click Browse. Choose the folder where you want the video to be saved. Type in a file name like myscreenrecording.mp4 and then click Save. At this point, everything is set up and you're ready to begin recording. Click Start and VLC will begin capturing your desktop. You may notice the play bar turn into a timer, which means the recording is in progress. While VLC is recording, you can minimize the VLC window and do whatever you want on your screen. You can open apps, browse the web, show a tutorial, or record a presentation. When you are finished, bring VLC back up. To stop the recording, click the Stop button, which looks like a square icon. Once you stop it, VLC will save the video to the folder you selected earlier. After that, you can open the file and check your recording to make sure everything's saved correctly. And that's it. You now know how to record your computer screen with VLC. Choose the right format and save your recording properly. It is a simple and free way to capture your screen without needing extra software. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more VLC tips or screen recording tricks in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.